Hey, nieces and nephews, it's Uncle Chris. Now, fruit, vegetables, all that stuff, it's getting high. High, high, high. So, you know what? I'm going to show you how to start your own little greenhouse garden with things from the Dollar Tree.
Oh, Chris, what you got cooking smells so good. Everyone's looking. Uncle Chris. Uncle Chris.
Yes, nieces and nephews, we're going to use this to make a nice little greenhouse to start our garden. We can be healthy and wise and budget friendly all at the same time. Come on, let me show you how to do this. Check this out. I've got some watermelon seeds, some tomato, some thyme, basil, however you say it. I've got some green zucchini and some yellow, summer squash, green and yellow. I've also got some Swiss chard. Now, I got these from the dollar store. You know these little food trays? They come with a clear top. So check this out. If you put it over like this, it becomes a wonderful little greenhouse that you can start your garden right now. So I've got a few of those, and I've got some cups to put the soil and the seeds in. Let me show you how to plant these, and also I'm going to show you what I've already planted that has started to grow already. All right. We're going to start by putting our cups in our tray. I just got these from the dollar store. They're short plastic cups. They worked for me in the past. Okay. Line as many as you can in here within reason now. Okay. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think I can get one more. Yeah. So I got a total of 9 in here. Now, I'm going to start with, the watermelons. So, I'm going to put some soil I have, which there again, I got from the dollar store in my cup. Fill them only halfway because you want some room for the plant to grow, all right? Okay, let's speed this up. Now, only halfway. Fill them only halfway. This will allow more growing space for the plant because let's face it, those tops aren't super deep. Now I'm going to try to do 2 seeds per container. I don't know how many seeds is in here, but I'm going to work with it, okay? Now I'm planting a lot because I'm trying to have a big garden this year because I want to give away some food too. I want to help out as many people as I can. Plus feed my own family. Now these last cups, I'm only going to put 1 because I ran out of seeds. That's the only reason. Now, here's the important part. You're going to water each cup. Not too much. You don't want it to be a muddy mess, okay? Otherwise the plant's going to drown. And you don't want that. All right. Once you've watered each one, pour some water in the bottom of this container and put the top on. The reason you put the water in the bottom is so that when you put this top on, it makes that greenhouse effect. Okay? It does not have to be taped or anything like that. This will make its own greenhouse. Now I'm going to fill up the rest of my containers and plant my seeds and show you what I already got growing. Look, nieces and nephews, they're already growing. See how it looks cloudy in there? Well, that's the moisture, the greenhouse effect. Look at this. Look at that. Now I'm planting the stuff that takes the longest to grow right now. These are pumpkins and peppers. Look at that. Look how big they are already. I wanted to make sure I was going to have enough pumpkins and peppers to do my hot sauce and to make sure Jay has pumpkins for Halloween. And I want to give some away too. I've got all my little seedlings planted. I've even marked them with the packets underneath them, so I'll know what I'm growing. Guys, let me show you some pictures from Joe. He gave me the idea to do this. I started thinking on what he was doing, and I did it. Check these pictures out. Here's how he stores his seeds in a glass jar. Then he plants them in these cups. That's what gave me the idea. It is so cool. Now his plants are already growing and he's already harvested some. This is so cool. Wasn't that great? Joe, thank you so much. So much. Now I'm going to update you on the garden and show you how it's growing. But I know this was a short video. However, I think this is one of the most important videos. You know what they say? Give a man a fish, he'll eat for a day, but show him how to fish, he'll eat all his life. I'm showing you how to eat all your life. Even if you just got a little patio, grow you something. You will love it. You'll get addicted to it. You'll love the taste. Okay? All right. Tomorrow, got a food pantry haul for you. All right. Big love from Uncle Chris. I want you to like. I want you to comment. I want you to subscribe. All right? All right. Oh, write to me, Uncle Chris, the Food Pantry Chef at gmail.com. All right? Bye-bye.
Uncle Chris, what you